Hey everyone, welcome back to Measuremix. I'm going to be putting together a DIY Dollar Tree hot chocolate station for you guys today. I'm so excited about this because we drink a ton of hot chocolate this time of year. It's perfect for the cold weather that we get here in Ohio, especially today. It's really snowy and icy outside, so a cup of hot chocolate when my son comes home from school will be perfect for him. This is also great for holiday get-togethers or parties, or if you're having like a cookie party, you can just set this up and people can come and get a cup of hot chocolate to warm themselves up. So I am going to be using this Cosori original Cool Touch electric kettle that the company actually sent to me, and this is going to heat up my water. It says that it heats up quickly and it's cool to the touch, and it holds a ton of water, which is great. And then you can also use it for heating up water for soup or tea or your coffee. This would just be perfect for anything like that as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get everything out of the packages and get it all set up. I think it has a really nice sleek design. I like the stainless steel spout that it has. And then it comes with the base that heats everything up. It's separate from the kettle, and that's what you plug into the wall. And then the kettle itself, the lid on the top, all you do is push the button and it pops right up. And the inside is stainless steel, and it has a max fill line on there, so that way you know where to fill your water at. So I'm just gonna take a pitcher of water and just fill it up. All I have to do now is just close the lid, and then I'm going to put my kettle onto the base and then plug my base into the wall. And then there is a switch underneath the handle for the on-off, and you just press it and the blue light comes on, and that means the water is heating up. When the blue light turns off, the water is all heated. And it's really simple. That's it, guys. It's super simple to put together. It has a nice sleek design. Check out my description box below for the links to this product if you guys are interested in it. So while I wait for my water to be heated up, I'm going to go ahead and start building my hot chocolate station next to my kettle. And for that, I'm going to use this wire basket I got from Dollar Tree. I just spray painted it with some Rust-Oleum's hammered black spray paint. And then I added that little plaid kitchen towel to the basket. And I am loving these cute little coffee mugs that come from Dollar Tree this year. They are perfect for the holiday season. I love the little white mug with the red sayings on them. I ended up picking up 4 of them with 4 different sayings on them. And then that mug tree stand that I have back there, I've had that thing for forever, and it was a silver, but I went ahead and spray painted it with the same black as I did the basket. And then I just added the other 2 mugs to that. And then I also picked up 2 of these warm and cozy mugs from Dollar Tree. I think that they are perfect for hot chocolate. I love the little pictures on them. And then I also am using these 3 milk glass jars to put in the basket. And these are for just some extra little goodies to add to your hot chocolate. The back one there, I am putting some miniature marshmallows that I got from Dollar Tree. And then the front one, I am putting some little peppermint candies in. And the back one, I just took a Hershey's chocolate bar and broke it up and put that in there. And that's if you just want to add some extra chocolate to your hot chocolate. And you could use some miniature marshmallows instead if you didn't want to use a chocolate bar. And then also I used for my hot chocolate the Swiss Miss packets that come from Dollar Tree, and I just took those out of the box and just put them inside the mugs there in the basket. And now you can see in the background there on my kettle that the light is off, which means that the water is done heating up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make myself a mug of hot chocolate, and you can see here that it is warm, it's done, and it's the outside is cool to the touch, but The water is definitely hot. It took probably less than 5 minutes for this water to heat up, which is so nice. So you can definitely make it in a hurry if you are having a party or have a bunch of kids running around who want hot chocolate. So I definitely recommend that you guys check this out in the description box below. If you're looking for a present this holiday season, I think it would be a great idea. I love how my hot chocolate bar turned out. It's definitely going to come in handy for us this year with all the cold weather I'm sure we're gonna have here in Ohio. And if you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you're new here, and also the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything new. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and go drink a cup of hot chocolate. So I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.